Hi, we're gonna focus on building a micro SaaS product today. I think this is gonna be the trending, and yeah, you will see a lot of micro SaaS is in the market near future. So let's go through this. We're gonna talk about micro SaaS, as I said, and also gonna use a context-driven payment and a fully Stripe integration. Yeah, I'm gonna go through in this section. So we're gonna go through Stripe dev account. Oh, just by the way, there's a lot of people online they talking about this, but my cases will be it's very simple. I don't want to waste your time. Just watch me code, right? And what I will give you to summarize is how I did, and yeah, something gonna be amazing to you, and something gonna be give you a little bit headache as well. Let me explain the reason why. So Stripe dev account, first things first, we need to set up with two keys very important: publishable key and secret key. And the Stripe product, you need to create a Stripe product, right? And in my case, this is a product that I created. I created two products right there. And so if you don't familiar with not familiar with dev account, just go check it. It's easy. You can find it from anywhere. Get the publisher keys, okay? And the server product, as I mentioned, two of those, right? And yeah, let me just show quickly. Maybe you need to know. So important things here. So it's actually this key is very important. From the client side, we'll bring this key up. Okay, and then the Stripe webhook. Okay, a lot of people confused about what is this. So this is actually is when your payment get paid through it, everything's complete, right? The Stripe will call your webhook, and then pass it to you is the session ID, and so the entire purpose is something like, okay, payment get is done, but payment is actually not from third party, it's actually from Stripe. Just make sure you're confident you do get a payment, and then you process the remaining of other. I'll walk you through it. Don't worry about this. So this is it. Okay, and then so later yeah, I'm gonna go give you the e-commerce UI, how you code that, right? List of that, and also how you do the UI Stripe integration. So let's jump on. I don't want to waste the time right here. So and yeah, from beginning. So this is our from beginning step, right? This is a Nextjs, by the way, and I'm not using TypeScript, just using JavaScript. So once you launch the maybe I give you a little bit explain. Okay, build from scratch. I'm using Tailwind, so let's click on here. So yeah, not much. Just use a hero icon, Stripe, which is you should integrate it. Use XU. You can using Fetch as well, no problem. I use both. I will show you. And then yeah, so yeah, micro. This is a forced site, a little security for site using raw data. Just to make sure no manipulation and so on and so forth. Okay, I'll walk you through this is in the code. Yeah, and first things first, the page will landed right here. A page, right? So it's right there, index page. In the index page here, I bring in the Stripe product. So it just means whatever any product listed in Stripe right here. Where's Stripe right there? Yeah, it will bring in two. You create three, bring in three. It's dynamically everything. Okay, once you get the data, right, you write to the product your state right here, right, and then you check if the state is nothing, right, and it's loading by default is I believe is empty. Yeah, empty string. I just build. And yeah, if it does have something, right, and now we're gonna bring up, the product car, which is the component, right, and we are pivot down or drill down the component, props like product, which is get it from here. So what a product look like? So this is our markup data. I'll just show you. Its eventually will be ID, name, price, currency, and then the images, so on and so forth. Right? This is a fake data. So, but anyways, this is the real data. But I'm using markup data. Okay, so yeah, once the data has been listed, right? And let me take a quick look at the product car page. What does it look like? Push it up a little bit. So this is very simple. This just list the page, right? Add. Oh yeah, forget it. Just run the stuff for you. Okay, you can take a look. You can look at that. What does it look like? Sorry, this channel is really random. Whatever I see, what I feel, I just share with you guys. So this really is the page. You know, look like it's very ugly, but it's functioning. So I have two products. See that, right? And then I'll add to the car. I can add another one as well. LA Pro, whatever, you know. And I go to the car. So there's two product, right? I click checkout. It will go. It will redirect to checkout.stripe.com page with the two products in the car, and you can just fill up like test at whatever domain.com. It would be, this is a standard, you know, the test the car, Visa card 2, 3, 4, and then 12, 32. Yeah, 32 really is far behind. And name of the card is a tester, so so forth. Let's click a pay. Oh, post the code 12121. That's anything is possible. It will process. Give a second. Hopefully this postal code is right. It's stuck right there. Oh yeah, it's go through it. Went through it. Well, I still have a little problem, but it's local. Online won't have problem. So that's it. Okay, this is where we're at right now, right? Okay, now back to the code. Let me show you. So yeah, as you see, we have the two product, right? We need the two product, and then the product is right here. Let me bring the page, goes to the front end, refresh. Hopefully, I don't like the, yeah. So we have a name, price, and a button. Name, price, button right here, right? Name, prices, button. Okay, so right there. And importantly, once the button clicks, so add it to the car, right? So this will be the action, add to the car, right? Set call add, right? So just add it to the car. Then we're gonna open up the car page. So in the car page, right? Once you click here, so you have a list of the car page, right? And then you go to checkout. Okay, so the car page is right there. I didn't go through it. I know probably you know everything about this, right? And what I want to share with you was the button click, right? We'll redirect to checkout. So if this is a redirect to checkout, right? Checkout page literally will call API checkout session. So which is in the Nextjs. You will see checkout session right there. Okay, I show you the index, right? It will get yeah, it only accept the post, right? And then we'll get the payload from here, request body items, right? And then he will execute through to the strap. I'm gonna mention you know, the strap you need to define from here, which is adding to the env file, right? So where's the if you ask where is the secret key, as I mentioned from the beginning, you get this is from Stripe. Let's go to developer channel, get that. Okay, anyway, remember, show you, right? There's two keys, important public key and a secret key. So with that setup, right, you pass in the the item, right? Just like transform, right? Form the items, right? From your calls, and then you just form this. Okay, so this is an object. You need a payment type. This is card. You have other options like payment, subscription, something like that. But this is card, just direct payment, right? Pay method is payment, mode is payment, right? So this is successful URL. This is returning that you want a success. You will call success page, okay, and also cancel page as well. In the meantime, you will return the status with the ID, status 200 with ID with session ID. Okay, very straightforward. All right. So once get that, right, and then we remember, the page it was has right there, success page, right? Once success is down, right, you will just show you whatever color, it's thank you for order, right? For the success, thank you for order, right? Okay, so this is the entire process. So far, it's payment is done, right? But what behind scene is the webhook. I'll tell you, this is amazing. So this literally, is from Stripe. You will call, right, your whatever domain / API, and then a webhook will call this file and providing you with the success.id. Look at that, see? You will try to body, right, Stripe webhook, right, construct event, right, give you a robot. This is what it is, right? You give it a buffer. Really is that you wanted to get the raw information, okay, and use it also signature as well. Use Stripe webhook secret, as I mentioned. This is third secret. You need it webhooks, right? Right, and then there will be just Stripe webhooks constructed there, right? We'll push it back once the things has succeeded, right? That means, yeah, you will get ID for me to print it out, right? But what you can do is if you type as equal this, check out session complete, right? So remaining this we will do. You can do that. Email customer, update the database, so on and so forth. So this literally tell you this is not fake. This directly from a Stripe. Okay. So this is one thing, before I move on to the next topic, I want to show you how the webhooks does. So I was confusing from the beginning, honestly, and literally I figured out, okay, so this is webhook. We go to developer, right? And just by the way, API key right there, right? So publish key, something like that. And then the webhooks like this. You just define like that. Okay, this is your whatever I hosted Vercel, right? And you can do that as well, API webhook. Okay, so this key, this URL, the Stripe will use to call your webhook, the file like that. Okay, so yeah, and then yeah, this is pretty much done as I explained it to you. I built an e-commerce UI, US UI, and also Stripe, right, and the integration. So this part is done. Okay, the next I want to show you something really, really amazing. I can tell you if I tell you everything here, right, or everything literally. Let me see. Yeah, this part. You see, I commented out, right? The reason for that because I don't use it. But all this code is literally built by the Copilot. So how do you feel like? Maybe I can show you. I will show you. So how what that mean? I think it's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna build the product things. Okay, I'm gonna side by side build that. So you can feel that. Okay, so let me open up a new file. Let's see. Let's see, product list.js file. I did that. Okay, and I put this side by side for you to take a look. Okay, and from scratch, and I say input. I need to write our input or stripe look automatically, right? And then I don't even need to do anything. So use this is not right, but I just correct a little bit, and I said I want to check out the stripe. So those will collect from my env file. Okay, so function is okay, right? Okay, hold on a second. Let me just close it. Like export, right? I just finished my stuff. Oh no, so export. Yeah, so this is not right. Hold on. Let me redo that. So I do const, right? And I say handler. Wait for it. Close it. Yeah, he will automatically look at that. Now I just wait. Look at that. Boom. Oh, this is amazing. This is a look. The code is completely identical, right? Did you see here? Identical. And the things is that this is working. All I did is right here because I want to match, the output. This is a mock-up of data, right? I just want to match that, so that's why I just literally just added. Oh no, he's even added it for me. Oh, because I write it one time. The second shot, just like a bolt, is like this. So this actually, the chart, the pilot, the pilot actually remembers everything you did. This is literally shocking, honestly. Okay. All right, so close it. We don't need this. Before go, I just want to show you, I call strap a product page, right? Refreshing it. This is the things that I get. Price, currency, price, currency. This actually is getting from the price collections right here. Right? Unit amount is currency. ID is that, and currency is I don't know where is it, somewhere. Currency, yeah, right there. Anyway, so this is so typically for people they never did that, just like it just boom generate for you. That's the one thing that feels like amazing because we're using GitHub Copilot. All right. So another thing I'm gonna amazing you is gonna close our topic today is this guy. It's called GitHub Copilot-X. Oh, it's not there yet, but if you sign up, so this is what you will get. Right now is Python, right? But no worries, it's gonna be Node.js, whatever React tester code too, right? So what it does is, your code, let's say, pretending this is your Node.js React code, right? So this is the Copilot-X. What it does is like selected that, you say, right, let's set up the unit test function for this selected code. Is actually writing all those text code. Well, this is a crazy, as if you develop, how many time we spend on to do the writing our test case, right? So this just literally select the code to test it. So this will be the next explosive news, and it's gonna be shocking entire our dev, developer community. But anyway, good, bad, excited, or no. So you will be the judge. Let's finish this course today, and hope you have a nice day. See you next time.